Hi guys, good morning. So we're driving today. We're going to, where are we going?
Pinto Art Museum.
Yes, we're going to Pinto. I don't know if it's Pinto or Pinto, pero we're going to Pinto Art Museum. And we woke up very early, so it's, what time is it? It's 9:10 a.m. Oh my god, may ambulansya.
Yeah.
Hi guys, annyeong! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode, we are going out. We are taking you with us. So we're going to Pinto Art Museum. Yes, so I'm here with Mom.
What's up guys? Good morning.
Yes, good morning. So we woke up very early because we want to have breakfast before going to the museum. Right, love?
Yeah, I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything yet.
Me too. I'm so excited to eat breakfast.
Yo.
Breakfast is my favorite meal, right?
Yeah, same.
So, ayun, as you can see, nandito kami sa Commonwealth. OMG.
Oh, safety first.
Yes, and we're going to take you with us to eat breakfast. So, I'll see you in a bit. UCC Coffee here in Antipolo. Ang hirap kasi wala pa masyadong open na restaurant during this time and we're so hungry already, so we decided to eat here at UCC. I'm with Mon. Social distancing, guys.
Yeah, that's right.
So, what did you order? We ordered Filipino breakfast.
Milkfish, breakfast, na may egg.
Yes, and I had naked longanisa for breakfast. Because we really want a good and hearty breakfast for today. And since I don't eat rice during weekdays, I've decided to eat rice today. I'm so happy. So there. Kasi ngayon lang magra-rice. And it's garlic rice, guys.
Yummy.
So there. I'll show you our food later. So Mon's coffee arrived already. So here it is. Looks cute. So what do you call this coffee? What do you call this coffee?
Piccolo.
Yes, this is the Piccolo coffee. Here
Like
in
a firecracker.
Looks cute. My coffee is here. I had, what do you call this? I forgot my order. Shucks, I forgot. But this is my coffee. It's black coffee na merong caramel on the side. Kaya ayan, nagpo-fall down na sila. Tapos nagkulay na rin yung coffee ko because meron siyang cream on top. We're waiting for food. I really like the lighting here. Okay. Food is here finally. So I had naked longanisa. Damn, it looks good. And
Morning, Marguerite. Hi.
we had truffle fries. And one, what did you have? With egg. Yeah. You happy?
Yeah,
done with breakfast and we're on our way to Pinto. I don't know talaga the pronunciation, Pinto ba or Pinto, pero papunta na kami doon. And medyo traffic lang in this part of Antipolo, but at least we're here early. Talagang inagahan namin today because we know na baka traffic kami. Kasi alam nyo naman tong lugar na to. Ewan ko, pero parang laging traffic. Pero ngayon, hindi naman masyado. So, sana lang hindi umulan, no, love?
Yes, medyo
It's kind of gloomy. Kanina, it was very sunny. Pero ngayon, ang gloomy na sobra. Where are we going?
Going.
Ba't tayo dito dumadaan?
Hindi ko alam.
This is so weird.
Napapunta tayo dito yun.
Ano mo yun si Waze? Pero pasok kami ng market.
Baka pinapadaan lang tayo.
Okay. Oh well.
Ano ba?
It looks like...
God.
Is it a parking?
Ano parking? Hindi.
Ano? Is there a way out?
Ay, meron na yun,
Ang weird, pinapasok kami sa loob ng mall.
Ooh.
Ng Waze. Then, oh, I love rides like this.
Bobo.
Gusto ko yung slides.
Tignan sila kuya po.
Wow! Okay, so ayan na. Nakalabas na kami.
Told you.
Oh my God. Grabe si Waze. Kung saan ka talaga idadaan, no? Ito, pinapasok kami ng loob ng parking ng malls. Pinalabas kami sa kabilang side. And we're here na. Okay. I'm so excited! Finally, we're going to visit a museum. And ang tagal ko nang hindi naka-visit ng museum because, you know, the pandemic and because of work, I was very busy and now finally, we're going out. Okay. Mag-vlog ako ulit pag nasa Pinto na kami.
Annyeong!
Hi guys! So, we're 5 minutes away from Pinto and before dumating sa Pinto, I'm going to do a quick what's in my bag. Okay, so what's in my bag? So first is this.
Mic.
So this is my mic. Hindi ako nagdala ng stand para hindi siya masyadong bulky, and since dala ko lang naman yung phone ko and you know, bawal kasi mag-video sa Pinto. So ayoko malata ako na ang dami kong dala. So wala, hindi ko dala ng stand. Actually, the stand is here, but ito lang yung dala ko sa bag ko. And next is, so this is my bag. So it's a Tommy Hilfiger hobo bag. There. Ang ingay. Ano na naman yun? May ambulansya na naman. Kanina pa may ambulansya sa shot ko. Anyway. So ayan. So I have my Tommy Hilfiger shoulder bag, hobo bag with me. And what's inside? First this. So, sorry. Ang kikay ng coin purse ko. Kadiri. So, this is my coin purse. Ayaw ni Mon ng barya. So, laging sa akin niya binibigay lahat ng coins niya. Well, I'm not complaining. Because I have my coin purse. So, next, I have this. So, what do you call this again? Ito yung pang-open ng doors and during this quarantine time para hindi ka maghawak ng mga handles, ganun. So, bigay ito ng supplier at work. And next, what I have here, I think malapit na tayo sa Pinto, no?
Okay.
Okay, so next is my Kikay kit.
Pinto Art Museum.
Yes, that's it. I have my Kikay kit here. And I have my alcohol. So this is my alcohol bottle. And I have a small perfume bottle. Where's my perfume? Kala nyo, ang daming laman ng bag ko, no? There's my perfume bottles. My Clinique Happy. Paubos na siya, guys! Oh my God. It's my Clinique Happy na maliit lang para kasya siya sa bag ko. So, yung malalaki ko kasing perfume bottles, hindi mo na sa bahay. Tapos ito, meron akong travel-friendly Clinique Happy. And, so, of course, my wallet and my food?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Tricycle.
How are you, love?
Okay. Kulit lang yung
Ay,
bagal.
nagdala ako ng gimbal. Ang rocky tuloy ng shots ko.
Thanks, bro.
Anyway, I'm sorry guys if it's very shaky. We forgot the gimbal, so this will do. We're almost there. OMG!
Should we wear a mask?
No. Later. We're still inside the car. There, I think that's the entrance. I think this is Pinto already. Here. Look at the parking. Damn. Sana hindi madami yung tao.
Sir, Pinto kami.
May Bible 20 ba?
20 pesos?
Yes, ba?
Yes, sir.
Why?
May 5 piso ka?
Yes, I have.
Thank you. Kuya, pasensya na, buong pera ko eh, pero ito meron ako eh.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Ito, sir. Maraming salamat po.
Comes in handy.
Here you go.
Wow, this is the perfect coin
Oh,
for
nga.
us.
That's perfect, love.
Okay, shucks! At daming nakapark. Sana onti lang yung tao. So we're here, guys. OMG, is that a line?
Parking ba to? No.
Okay, so here's Pinto. Lika. So look, here's Pinto. And wala na masyadong line unlike kanina.
Here's the entrance.
Hey guys, in fairness, ang ganda ng weather.
Mm-hmm.
It's very sunny, so it's perfect for a museum date.
Perfect.
So, nagpapahinga lang kami sandali kasi ang daming tao. Hey guys! So, hindi na ako nakapag-film kanina kasi nalobat yung phone ko from taking so many pictures sa Pinto. Pero nandito ako sa house ni Lamon.
Yeah.
We're back here in QC.
Home
Oh my
sweet
God!
home, grabe.
Grabe, alam mo yung mukha ko, pawis na pawis kanina sa face mask. Ang init, alam nyo, we expected na magiging maulan today because of the bagyo, incoming bagyo.
True.
But no guys, it was a very hot day in
Even
Pinto.
now.
But it's good because good weather, like at least hindi humid and all, but it was very sunny and
Fortunate pa rin.
yeah, okay pa rin yung weather. And now we're back here. At least we're back early. It's just 3:47
Yeah.
p.m. So, may plan kami later na mag-mini Halloween party sa house ni Mon. But it's just, yeah, mini Halloween party lang kaming dalawa lang.
Movie trip tayo, scary
yes,
movies.
and
Okay.
we're going to watch scary movies and drink. And it's just the two of us. So, ayun. Bye, guys.
See ya, bye.
Later. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, guys. everyone had a great Halloween. Kahit nasa loob lang tayo ng house. So, guys, stay safe. Mukha